Hey, yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, part 2 with
JP. Another day, another dollar, guys. Let's just watch a video and comment. Thank you.
Please make sure to subscribe.
Right. Never forget, guys.
Today we are watching in Minecraft with the one and only MrBeast.
We are surrounded by 50 of the greatest Minecraft players on the planet. And if one of them manages to kill one of us, they win $10,000. But whichever one of us is the last one standing wins $50,000 from our moms. That'll be me. My mom's getting the money. Go! Good luck!
Let's go.
Go it in. Oh my gosh. Everyone go in a different direction. Go. Oh, look at all the pros.
All right, go.
They're coming. Hey guys, get as far away as you can. Wait, why isn't my sprint? My sprint's not working. Guys, how do you sprint? I'm running so slow.
Tariq's here.
He's here.
Yo, get on Tariq. Get Tariq.
Get him. He can't even
Bulan.
Guys, they're all over me. No, guys, help.
Oh, it's already over for him.
You gotta die.
Oh my god.
Tariq,
Fucking idiots.
It's been 30 seconds. Mom, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. All right, boys. Nolan, Chandler, and me. One of us is going to win $50,000 for Mom. Let's see who it is.
Listen, boys, there's 3 more to kill. We gotta get all of them, okay? Go.
I'm killing MrBeast.
No.
Okay, you guys each have special abilities that you can use to help evade the pros. One of them shrinks you. One of them freezes time. One of them turns you into an animal. One turns you into a block. Nolan, how's it going? Oh my god, I'm small.
I'm going little. I'm disguising. Boys, I'm going for the jungle biome.
And to make things interesting, every 10 minutes, we have to get rid of one of our abilities. So, an hour from now, we will have nothing separating us from the greatest players on the planet. Let's see if they notice. I'm a sheep right now, and so I'm watching them all as a sheep.
Yo, where did the rest of them go?
If we were to hide, where would we hide? Like somewhere in the ocean, maybe?
Like they could be literally anywhere.
Someone has to have gone this way. If you're over here, you can tell me, bro. It's a safe space.
Okay, listen. I think I saw one run through the jungle.
The jungle would actually be a very good place to go.
Oh, they're coming.
Like,
I'm up in a tree. Guys, there's 3 people underneath me. I'm very scared right now.
like
Yo, clown.
50,000.
Hey, bro.
What's your game plan here?
Hey, well, my plan is to kill them before the hour runs out.
We could do the jungle, honestly.
But she's
Oh, that's a really good idea. Nice. That's smart.
They're burning the
but
jungle
she's
biome.
a shall feel it is.
I'm screwed. They're burning it down. There's actually 8 people below me all of a sudden, so I'm kind of freaking out.
If
Dude,
you
I can't
burn
believe
it
they're
up,
burning the
where
jungle
will you
down.
hide?
This is like my spot.
Oh, these people are dumb.
I'm making a boat. Somebody hop in.
I just saw them over the hill here.
I see a bunch of pros running over on the mountain next to me. They're going down the river in a boat. Can you hear the pros? What are they saying? They're talking about cutting your head off, Jimmy. Oh no. Dude, they're so graphic about it too. You guys are close enough to the pros and they don't notice? No, I'm just making that up. Oh my god. I'm a black sheep. I'm gonna go approach a pro and see if he notices.
Jimmy, don't die.
Hey, I heard their voices coming from like this way.
Oh, there's like 5 pros over here. Oh my
Nah,
god, one of the pros is right beside me.
One of them somewhere over here, I guess not.
He's mining beside me, he doesn't notice. Bro, what kind of pro is dumb as dumb? Meh. Meh.
No way, you just bet.
Bah.
Was that? What's that? Who did I just hear?
They don't know what our abilities are yet, so they don't know we can turn into animals.
Oh my god, I'm a genius. Cow's the meta. I'm telling you. I'm a cow.
Oh yeah, look, Saps. There's iron on the mountain. Go up there.
Get water buckets for everybody, just in case they have traps, you know?
Wait, there's a dolphin there. Wait,
What? Where?
yo!
Oh no, they realized.
Someone's in this.
Yeah,
Dolphin!
Yo, they can morph!
Wait, they can morph?
Go, JPEX. Go.
Leave me alone!
Okay, we can work together.
Come here, Nolan!
Someone get a dolphin!
Running away,
Alright, I
man.
got it.
Run away.
He switched. He's not a dolphin.
Oh, switch.
I see him, he's right there.
Get him, Shiny. Get him, boys. Let's get him.
I'm hitting him.
Okay, they
Bam,
are all
bam.
chasing me.
Don't let him get the dolphin. Don't let him get the dolphin.
Wow.
They are chasing me
Yeah,
like
by
crazy right
leg.
now.
Here, wait. I'm in front. I'm in front.
Bari
Hey,
yake.
low.
He's small. I see him. I see him. I see him.
I'm a tiny little man, and I'm gonna get away from you.
Go, 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 go.
I'm on the horse. I see him. I see him. I still see him. I still see him.
Oh my god, get away from me!
I see him. He's under the
Yeah, by
ice.
leg.
go,
Look,
catch
me,
up, catch up.
I'm still looking
Yeah,
at him.
because he's a
Nolan,
fish.
bro, you can't escape, dude. You can't escape. Oh, you're a dirt.
Go in the water.
Get him, Flo, get him.
I got a grip.
Get him!
Khona kumlandela
Guys, push each
ngemuva.
other, guys.
No.
Get away from me!
He used a speed boost. He used a speed. I still see him. I still see him. I still see him.
Oh my god!
I'm on him. I still see him. I still see him.
I've lost him. I've lost him. Where is he?
I'm getting
Why
out of
is he like
here!
digging? He got
Ayihambile ngeke
Walking
besakuthola.
like
Ngeke
He's gone.
besakuthola.
He's gone.
Dude, he juked us.
Oh, dude, we almost killed Nolan.
Oh my god, I need to heal up. I need to heal up. Oh my god. Dude, I was down to 1 heart.
My mom is gonna win.
Dude, I just got off a chase, and I don't know where everybody's at.
I figured out most of the abilities, okay? They can morph into mobs, they can freeze, and they can go small.
back to
Mr.
Mr.
Beast
Beast.
dokumento la.
Oh shoot,
Khona
I
la.
think they're
Nah.
finding me. I'm under this river they're on.
I hear him. I hear him.
I heard him there, that way, that way, that way, that way.
Straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down.
Oh, Jimmy!
Wait, there's bedrock. Are we being baited?
Where is he?
That was a lie. I'm above the river. Get baited.
Hey!
Wait, no, we should get a saddle. We should get a saddle. Wait, that's actually.
Uba amalo
Let's go,
shawa.
let's go, let's.
Wait, we should get horses. We should get horses.
Horses would be OP.
Someone's getting a horse. Oh yeah, we could just craft saddles. This is vanilla.
Oh my gosh, I see horses. Oh my gosh, we're getting horses. Dude, we're getting horses. Please. Oh my gosh, it works.
Yo.
Oh, we are on the hunt.
Let's see if they notice.
Get this iron for saddles.
Saddles are definitely the tag. There was horses back there, so let's go.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Angeza, yeah.
Now horse is moving funny. Wait a minute.
Ah!
He was
So-
a animal.
Yeah.
Yo, get back here!
Oh, what? He's disguised.
What? I am not a horse. What are you talking about?
Oh really, really?
Watch this.
Bale. Baba freeze.
Get frozen.
No.
Oh my god.
He disappeared. He disappeared. He disappeared. He disappeared.
Where did he go?
Our ultimates take 90 seconds to come back, so I need to play it safe until I get my ultimate back.
Bro, Jimmy's around here.
Jimmy, I know you're here. Where are you?
Genuinely, where are you at? Are you this gravel?
Yo, Jimmy!
Bazomba Mr. Beast.
I see him. I see him.
Umba.
I'm on him. He's tiny. He's tiny. No, I can't catch him in the water.
Don't lose him. Don't
Kumlandela
lose him. Don't lose him.
ngehashi.
I see him in the water. I'm tracking there.
Woo, woo, woo. Help, mom, help.
Come here.
From here.
We hit him. He's too small.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh, I see him. I see him. He's in the water. He's in the water there. He's in the water. Just stay on him. Stay on him.
Yeah, I want to buy
Alright, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here.
Oh, he went that way. Right, straight.
Like I thought, small
I need to
things
get away. I need to
were
get
not
away. I need to
fast.
get away. That was intense.
Yeah, he's running. He's running.
But
Come here.
I was run. I was
running
run.
so fast.
Alright, I gotta rehide. I'm gonna act like a chicken and see if they recognize me.
No, he might be gone. I'm not gonna lie. He was literally right there. He could have. Oh.
I just had the most intense chase of my life. Attention! As you might have pieced together, me and the boys all have special abilities. But every 10 minutes, me and the boys are gonna lose one of our abilities. And as the video progresses, we'll... Oh, wait! Stop
Oh,
hitting me!
Mushai
Why am I
Sakas.
all chat? Alright, well, I didn't even finish my monologue.
Okay, this means he's this way. You know this.
I don't know. Every 10 minutes,
Ah,
we
bro,
lose an
vote
ability,
to him,
and
alright.
we get slower as the video
He
goes on.
died,
So, like,
man, he
alright,
died.
I'm coming off all chat.
They're in the snow biome on horses.
Yeah, it's not
I might
working now.
be beside Jimmy too.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Get him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him.
There
Don't lose him.
you
Don't lose him.
are.
They're right there. Go, go, go.
Oh, there's so many people! Why is everyone chasing me?
Jimmy, you're pretty slow. What?
Get away from me!
Down. He's right there. He's going down. Keep going. Jimmy, where are you?
Oh, I think I'm gonna get away. I want to meet up with you guys.
I'm on the birch tree biome. And as there's a group of cows, we can just become 3 cows.
I can see the birch tree biome in the distance.
I'm sneaking around pros like crazy to get to you guys.
Is that you? That's a different cow. Sorry.
Wrong cow.
I see you.
What's up, Chandler? All right, Chandler.
All right, come this way.
Wait, Chandler, are you this cow?
That's me. That's me.
Guys. I came over here to tell you it's been in 10 minutes and we each need to get rid of an ability.
Oh no.
All right, I'm getting rid of my mob disguise, meaning I can only shrink, freeze, and be blocks.
I'm gonna get rid of the mob disguise.
Nolan, what are you getting rid of?
All right, I'm gonna get rid of the block to size.
All right, guys, now that we're all animals, let's go to a higher vantage point.
So are we all becoming cows together?
Guys, I'm the chicken, you guys are the cows.
You're so goofy, man.
Wait, boys, did you know that on the gaming channel, we give away a gaming computer every week?
Really?
I had no idea.
Yo, where is the MrBeast?
All they have to do to win it is hit the subscribe button. Like this person right here, they just won.
If I was you, I'd subscribe. Wait, we have to shift so we can walk the same speed as the enemy.
Why do they say that?
I'm very alone. But maybe this is for the best because, like, if they're gonna be somewhere, they'd be over here, right?
There's a horse on that hill.
Where? Oh, on the desert biome.
Hello.
Shh. Who travel?
Are you one of these cows?
Oh
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my
god!
She's chasing Chandler! Nolan, we got away with it.
You are the
It's
cows!
slow.
Wait, get back here!
I froze him.
Wait, where did you go?
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Yo, is that one of them?
I'm cool.
Alright, let him whack me.
Oh my god, go.
Oh no, I thought he was thinking I was one of them.
Get him.
Ow! I need to get out of here. Alright, one of the strats that's working well for me is to dig a hole underwater.
No, he's got away. No.
No way you lost him. He might still be here. Just keep on digging, I guess. All right, I'm gonna stay here and hope that he surfaces.
Wait, I just saw a name tag disappear. I think he crouched, waiting for me to come out. Is someone out there?
Maybe. He's still here.
You crouched, so I would come out, didn't you?
Maybe. Come on, clone.
Hello? You guys find him?
Jimmy's here. Somewhere.
Wait. Oh, this is actually a really good strat.
Oh, bro, they're digging all around me.
I shouldn't have done that.
Oh, I see him. He's right there.
Yeah! Why is it always Clown Pierce? It's always Clown Pierce!
You don't have your freeze anymore. What are you gonna do now?
Oh, no. Wait, how do you know I don't have freeze?
You just used it. Just checking around, just trying to find him.
I just juked Clown Pierce. He just ran straight past me.
Dude, that's crazy.
It's been 10 more minutes. It's time to get rid of an item.
I'm getting rid of the mob disguise.
I'm gonna get rid of shrink/grow.
I'm gonna get rid of shrink too because I don't need to grow. I'm just gonna be shrink forever.
Chandler, how would your mom react if you won and you hand her 50 grand?
My mom would actually freak out, bro. She's been needing a new floor in her house because it's rotting.
I think my mom would double freak out. Oh my god! I'm a genius!
What?
I'm a small little tiny man mounted on a camel.
Alright, I don't know if my strat is the best play right now.
Clown Pierce just ran past me while I was on the camel.
Dude, I'm on the camel, yes!
Right in the camel, man.
You're so dead.
I see him. Get him, he's running, look at him.
Ow!
Is there someone over here?
Dude, I see an army of people.
Oh my god, he's on fire!
How would you run? You died.
He's gonna die!
Wait. I'm gonna die. Hold up. Half a heart. No.
MrBeast. Put that too.
Alright,
She
so
would never.
congrats on the 10 grand, but
Ow.
you know, you can go win another 10 grand.
Yeah, let's go!
Now that Jimmy's dead, I want to remind everybody that Tariq died in the first 30 seconds.
My mom's getting this 50 grand, baby.
And now there's two, and now there is two.
There's still two other hiders. Where could the other people be hiding?
There's 5 people coming in, and there's 5 people coming.
Oh, I think he sees me. I'm terrified. There's a bunch of people all around us. I'm just a camel. I'm just a man on a camel. You don't see me.
This is so bad.
Yeah.
What are we even supposed to do? Like,
there's someone on my camel. We're both riding it. This is insane.
I don't know. Like, I don't know where they could be.
We were both riding it.
I don't even know where to look anymore. They're just like, I don't know.
Don't look at the camel.
Guys, you're so blind.
Oh, what the?
They see me!
You thought you were slick, huh? You thought you were slick, huh? Come here.
I didn't think I was slick. I did. I thought I was slick.
Get in! I see it. I see it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to aim.
Oh, I'm in a hole. I'm in a hole. No!
Hey, no!
Nolan, get out of there!
How? I can't move. I can't see anything. I'm in a hole.
There's currently 15 people coming towards you, Nolan. I'll say that.
I'm shoveling out here.
Oh my god, bro, everyone's here now. No.
Dude, it's a whole map.
The whole team is on Nolan. Dude, I have a front row seat.
No, relax even.
You gotta get rid of an ability right now.
Get rid of an ability?
I'm getting ready to block this, guys.
All right, I got rid of it. I got rid of it.
Nolan, what ability do you have left?
I've only got the freeze. Hey, you guys think you're gonna catch me? Guess what? You're not.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Go around a corner and they can't see you
No.
around the corner and then book it.
Don't help him. I want my mom to win.
Oh, you're right.
This is so funny. I'm just chilling on this camel.
Yeah, bro took my camel strat.
Wait, and Nolan knows you're on a camel and he's not telling her?
Yeah.
Guys, Chandler's on a camel.
Camel.
Snitch.
I'm no longer on a camel thanks to Nolan. My strategy's been ruined.
Just a snitch.
Surely, right? Oh my god. Literally jumped over me. How did you not see me?
Alright, hear me out. Gotta be in this village somewhere, bro.
It would just make sense, bro. There's so many places to hide. I think you can be a villager.
These are so freaking cool.
Chandler, where are you, buddy?
Can't talk right now. Currently scared for my life.
These guys are looking.
Yo, that's sus, bro.
If you don't know, our peanut butter cups are real peanut butter on the inside and cased with real milk chocolate. You think every cup's like that, but actually they're not.
I feel like they would take like a viewpoint where they can actually like see what's going on.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yo, it's like you're
Maybe.
pooping.
Oh my gosh, this guy's literally looking at me.
They taste so freaking good. And we
I'm
just
not
started
sure
selling
about
on
the
Amazon.
Lenny,
Give them a try and let me know what you think.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is... Bro, that was the closest. Nolan, where are you?
Dude, I don't have the mental ability to talk to you right now, Chandler.
Oh, wait, that's smart.
Oh, no.
No.
Yeah.
Why is it? Get me out of here!
My mom's gonna win.
He's out. He's over here.
There's no way he gets out.
I'm gonna get him.
Oh no.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Nolan, $50,000 for your mom on the line.
Maybe I bit off more than I can chew. That was a mistake.
Nolan, 50 grand. 50 grand, lock in.
I've only got 2 hearts left.
My mom's gonna win, yes! Get him!
I'm getting away.
Oh, dude, look at the horde chasing this little grain of sand. I see you in the water.
Dude, I can't believe I'm still alive.
Come here, noob.
They call me a noob?
You're not getting away. Oh, we're like the closest ones.
Kill him!
Oh my god. I've got a whole armada after me.
It's GG. It's Raps.
Nice try. Oh,
I won.
Mom, I just won. That's nice.
You really did? 2 hands.
Let's go visit my mom.
Hey guys, that was the video. Please make sure to like, follow, subscribe.
Yeah. See you, man.